Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over some technical analysis on the stock market, S&P 500, along with several other stocks that we follow on the channel. We're going to go over some updated fib retracement levels, look at the support resistance levels, and kind of go from there. So we're going to take a look at the S&P 500 first. As you see, we hit all-time highs yet again, and we're starting to kind of cool off just a little bit based off of the fact that we are overvalued. We're crossing over from bullish to bearish, and just a W-shaped pattern right here, recovery that we had after that dip. Typically we'll see a pull down in price, so we should see some type of action towards the downside at some point this week. I don't know how much, but that's what we're looking like. Okay, so our first overall level of support is going to be 55.18.98. Alright, then 53, 65.32, 52.41.13, and then 5,116, and then 49.40, and then 47.40 and some change. So 47.14.82 to be exact. So that's your overall level of support and resistance. We're going to start off with Amazon, and we're going to take a look at Amazon. Amazon's chart is funky looking, man. It's just sideways, up, sharp move down, up, sideways, up. It's just crazy. So now we did have a pretty decent recovery from Amazon. We were all the way down to 170, then we came all the way back to almost 200. Broke below support again of 189, and now so 181.79 is your next level of support down here. And then if we break below that, you're looking at 175.71, 169.62, 160.95, and then 149.91. If we get above 190, then we're looking to come back and test 200 again, so 201.50 to be exact. If we're going to test that, if we could ever get past that, we're going to roll, but that's remained to be seen. So we've hit the top of there several times and fell hard all the way down to about 150, then made our recovery, and now we couldn't quite make it all the way back to 200. So we'll see what happens there. So next up is IQST, ticker symbol IQST. This one here is one of the most interesting ones to me because I feel like it's almost a slam dunk double up play in my opinion from this point. Currently at about 17.25 cents, and the tip top is 39.5, so call it 40. But it's been steadily on the decline since it hit about 40 cents, 39.5 cents to be exact, and it's due for a spike in price and trend reversal in my opinion. So currently the floor is about 15 cents. Your first level of resistance is 20, then 24, and then after that you got 27, and then 30, and 33.75, and then 39.5. I think if we can get to 20 and hold above 20, even if we trade sideways for a little bit, I think that's going to put us in the right direction. If we get to 25, we really start seeing some momentum, and I think that we start making our recovery back closer to that 40 cent mark for IQST. Next up's NVDA, ticker symbol NVDA. So currently at 121.40, seems to be kind of staying around the 121, 120 level. We've been there for quite a while, ever since we ran up to 140 and fell down. We kind of hover and are really kind of staying comfortable around this particular price point, which could be a good sign moving forward. We did cross over on the golden cross breakout indicator. We popped up all the way to 127 from 115, but now we're falling down. This is kind of a really interesting part to see if we can hold here at that 118, 120 level, because I think if we do, then that should propel us back to that 141 mark. And if we hit above that 141 mark, we have again some potential to start taking off and maybe retesting 150 and beyond, but we got to get past that 141 mark, and I'm talking about get past it convincingly, so not just, you know, hit 140, 150 or something and fall down, but I mean just bust through it and continue to come up and have that 141 now act as support. Not such a difficult resistance level, but looks like 120 currently is your support, and it's holding steady. If it does break below that, you're looking at 108.25, 94.18, 83.11, 67.35, and then 47.27. Next up, guys, is Tesla ticker symbol TSLA, and this puppy here has made some traction all the way from 200 all the way to about 260. We finished at 260.46. Nice recovery there, and it looks as though we are overvalued on the RSI. However, the MACD looks like we're holding steady, and we may be crossing back over from bearish back to bullish to where we can maybe come up and retest this 271 level and see if we can get above that 271 level. That would be fantastic if we did that, because that means we're probably going to get up and test the 300 mark. Rate cuts for Tesla, a really good thing. So that's exciting to see. Your first level of support is about 240, and then if we break below that, 220, 204, 189, 167, and then of course 138.80. But your big level of resistance is 271, and we actually have a decent amount of time to get there based on the fib level and the current price action, the time frame of the 180-day 4-hour. So we want to just keep an eye on that, specifically if we can get to 271. If we can break above that and actually hold it, that would be impressive and exciting moving forward. So last is Zion Oil and Gas, and we did break below the overall floor last week, and we found a new low yet again, just continuing to find new lows. And I think that this one here, we're going to continue to do that. We're going to see a little spike in price this week, I'm pretty sure, and then we're going to fall down again. And I think overall, until they continue operations and something good comes out of the operations, I think, in my opinion, price targets anywhere from 3 cents to 2.5 cents on the bottom. And so just kind of keep that in mind. So if you're looking to swing it, or if you're looking to average down for whatever reason, I'm not buying any right now until they resume operations. And if it's, if they resume operations and it's in the twos, maybe come and nibble at some there, but I'm not buying any here because I do feel like it can go lower. So anyway, guys, that's all I got for you in this one. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.